Hi, my name's Adam Hall and I'm an Agile Coach for Digital. In the Agile Manifesto, it says the best architectures, requirements and designs emerge from self-organising teams. But I think that's a confusing concept. What is a self-organising team? How can we trust them to come up with the best design? So I set up this experiment. There's one puzzle piece for every team member, and I asked the teams to put that puzzle together with one caveat: no talking. The temptation in business is to micromanage and to ensure that people are doing exactly what you ask them to. And I believe this creates unnecessary waste. Worse, it creates tension. An agile mindset teaches us to build trust and focus managerial effort on setting a clear vision and enabling the team. In under a minute, the team had assembled the puzzle with no management, just a sense of reacting and delivering the intended outcome. And I think this is what the Agile Manifesto means. Give a self-organising team a clear outcome and watch them produce the best architecture, requirements and design. If you'd like to know more, then just contact us, hello@and.digital.